Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by launching Windows Media Player and making sure it's available on your PC. Open the Start menu and type Media Player. If it doesn't appear, go to Settings, Apps, Optional Features to add it. Once done, position your media files in known folders, music or videos, so the player can index them quickly. Make sure to sign into your account if you use OneDrive Sync. This keeps playlists consistent across devices and speeds access to cloud-stored files. Now import and organize. Open the library view and use Manage Folders to add the locations you want indexed, which ensures updates happen automatically. Then create playlists by selecting New Playlist and dragging files in, or right-click tracks and choose Add to Playlist for quicker grouping. Make sure to fix metadata by right-clicking a file, selecting Properties or Details, and updating titles, artists, and album art. Accurate metadata helps search and smart playlists work correctly. Finish by mastering playback and handling problems. Use the controls to play, pause, seek, and toggle repeat or shuffle. Adjust the equalizer for sound tweaks. If a file won't play, it's likely a codec issue. Convert the file to a compatible format or install a codec package from the Microsoft Store. If the player freezes or crashes, reset the app in Settings under Apps, Advanced Options, then Reset. This clears caches while keeping your files, and usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.